Hello Munchkins, it's Aaron. Today's look is the Asian bad bitch makeup. This look is a mix of the ABG trend and a pop of orange on the side. So if you want to see how we did this, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 330. This foundation has a medium coverage and a demi-matte finish that makes it super breathable and is perfect for an everyday wear.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Apply a neutral contour onto the hollows of your cheeks. Apply as much needed for your own preference. I also applied on a slight definition on my nose to make it more snatched.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that
This powder foundation is perfect for a slight brightening and mattifying effect. I apply this using a puff on the highest points of my face, or the parts that oils up the most.
Slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that.
If you're just a beginner on your eyeliner game, use any eyeshadow to do your eyeliner since you have the control to build up the product to the opacity that you want. Plus, it's so much easier to redo without it getting smudged or budged. I use the orange shade to make this look a lot more fun and bold. I used a thin brush to smudge that on my lower lash line. To tie up the juicy orange vibe on this look, use an orange shimmer to make your eyes pop.
I like that. 내 호기심을 자극하지 시크한 스타일도 입은 옷은 신경 쓴 듯 안 쓴 듯.
To add more definition on my wing, I use a precision brush and pack a gunmetal shade on the base of my wing to make my eyes appear more round.
센치 하나 늦게 하잖아 알잖아 요즘 내가 날 보는 시선 느껴.
For the cheeks, I used the same lipstick for a more monochromatic look, blending that using my fingers for a more natural finish. Apply that to your nose as well.
내기를 해볼까 너무 쉽게 오지만 재미없잖아 거기서.
For my highlighter, I used my favorite drugstore one. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. This gives you a blinding highlight, but still makes it really wearable because of its undertone. Next is the lip time. I used Kylie's matte lipstick in 22 for my lip base. This is the perfect tangerine shade, but since the tube is quite dry already, I layer it up until I get the opacity that I want. Sorry for being so inactive lately. I've been just conquering all my modules on online school. Once again, I use my favorite method of neutralizing my lip shade by taking a contour stick. Mix lipsticks together to create your new shade. Just be wild and creative. And that's it for this makeup look. I hope you enjoy and learned something new. Subscribe and baboosh!